I have to talk quietly because... What the fuck? Bro, the seagull flew by us like 50 centimeters. Good morning, good day, or good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's part 3 in Spain. I've been here for 3.5 weeks now. I made friends, pretty cool people actually. Really happy about that. I went to a lot of Erasmus events, met a lot of international students. Already made some great memories, and now it's gonna be a really great memory. We're gonna go to Barcelona for 3 days. And if you don't know, which you might not, because I've literally never talked about this on social media, but I always wanted to go to Barcelona or visit Barcelona or live in Barcelona when I was younger. And then now, and since that was a pretty basic idea, and literally everyone does that, I couldn't, because it's literally like double the amount of rent prices in Barcelona than for Valencia. And it's too crowded, it's too dangerous. Well, for a living, I'm gonna have a super fun time there now. We're gonna go for 3 days with other cool people that study here. Some Germans, Brazilians, Dutch, French. I forgot some of the parts, but it's gonna be fun. We're gonna take the bike now to the bus station, and then it's gonna be fun. Enjoy. So here you can hear me struggling to ride the bike on the way there, because it was like 5 kilometers and it was in the middle of the morning and I was tired as well. Bro, I have to talk quietly because they're still behind me. But we just arrived to Barcelona literally 2 minutes ago, and we get off at the bus station, and there's like a homeless man that starts to yell, and behind us there's like security workers running towards him. And my friend speaks Spanish, and he was kind of understanding it a bit. The problem is it was like Catalanian mixed, so he didn't understand all of it. And he was like, "Oh, how did they know I was sleeping here? How did they find me?" And he was just standing there yelling, and like they had to calm him down. Welcome to Barcelona, I guess. Digga, was? Ja. Bro, als ob das fährt. Junge. Ey, wie geil ist die Sonne gerade? Junge, Valencia. Okay, let's go. Pepino. Ja, sí, pepino. No, para Eva. Live reaction. You ready?
Yeah.
Which one is it, chicken or beef?
Chicken.
Let's see.
Chicken or tofu?
By the way, look how many seagulls there are.
No.
Your first reaction?
Good. Spices on top.
I love this food.
8.5 out of 10.
Crazy good. And I'm happy that you gave. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? The seagull flew by us like 50 centimeters away.
Man.
Yeah, he wanted your meat badly.
He did. You got it.
Oh,
You got it?
Oh, what the
No
fuck?
way!
Bro, no wonder why there's so many. Look, bro, what the fuck? I have to hide it from the seagulls. Yeah.
What is it? Chicken?
It's
No idea, man.
I
It's
can't
tasty
see.
is what it is.
it?
Oh, it's chicken.
It's chicken?
Yeah.
Wait, I need more like from the food.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. 8.5 is good.
Flavor explosion.
8. Bro, this is amazing. But the seagulls are attacking us.
Look at this. Look at this shit. It's crazy, yeah.
Hey, this is amazing. Wow.
Look at this. Damn.
Okay, we got the goods. Wie heißt der Laden? Borebe. Look at this view. I think you cannot see anything because I have no battery, but it looks amazing. And this. And yes.
Ob es in Valencia gerade auch so geil ist? I doubt it.
Yo. Da hinten noch.
Alter. Krass.
Fantastisch. Ey, it's Casino time. Ey.
Bro,
Casino. Ey.
I'm so down
Ey.
right now. Digga.
What's up? End of day 1. Here with the 40 cents.
Day one just
Energy
beginning.
drink.
Day one just beginning.
Yes. Well, we're going out now. And tomorrow the rest of the group is gonna join. So tomorrow it's gonna be even crazier. Tomorrow we're gonna be 9 people. I'm excited. Wait, I need to flip the camera 1 second. Now we're walking here. The energy drink, bro.
the energy drink
Look
is
at this
so
terrible,
bad.
bro. 40
But
cents.
They're so bad though.
Yeah, but they give energy.
But it's our second one as well.
It's
right?
it's serving the purpose. I need the energy. I cannot live without it.
Alcohol was also.
And what is also crazy, in every metro station someone is playing guitar, or in the metro someone is playing the violin.
Oh, that's really cool.
I love it. And every street looks so aesthetic. Great city, I love it.
Like Barcelona, man.
I just wish the Camp Nou was open.